Hello, and thanks for joining us for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial news presented by CenterFX, your reliable partner in trading.
Amazon stock rose by 2.6% on Tuesday, closing at $244.68, driven by investor optimism around Amazon's cost-cutting layoffs. The French stock market index rose 0.3% on Tuesday, as gains in financials, industrials, and energy stocks outweighed lingering caution around renewed U.S. trade threats. U.S. natural gas futures fell more than 7% to $6.27, after an unprecedented roughly 117% rally over the previous 5 sessions, as forecasts shifted warmer and some frozen wells returned to service. The euro climbed to around $1.20, its strongest level since June 2021, supported by broad dollar weakness and the recently finalized EU-India landmark trade agreement. Bitcoin traded at around $88,800 this Wednesday, after rebounding from weekend lows, as modest inflows into U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs fueled the recovery. Now let's review today's major economic events. At 2:45 p.m., Canada will announce its January interest rate decision, following the 2.25% level set in December. At 7 p.m., the United States will release its January interest rate figures, after reporting 3.75% in December. Looking ahead to tomorrow's key events. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. balance of trade is expected to decline, after recording a trade deficit of $29 billion in October. At 3 p.m., the United States will publish factory order data for November, following a 1.3% drop in October.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by CenterFX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.